Hello and welcome to Lower Providence Community Library's tutorial video on changing the font size on your Kindle e-reader. So today we're going to go through the steps to change the font. If you borrowed a book from Libby or you bought a book off Amazon, you can change the font so that it's more comfortable to read. So first we're going to swipe up and unlock our Kindle. Most new Kindles now have this add page. So we're going to swipe up and it's going to come to the home screen of your Kindle, and I'm going to go to my library and I'm going to pick the book that I'm currently reading, and I'm going to tap the top of the page and a little menu will drop down and you're going to see a little big A and a little a, and we're going to click on that, and on the bottom of your screen it's going to come up a little menu that says themes, fonts, layout, and more. And we're going to focus on themes and the font sizes. So currently my book is this custom theme, and that's what the book came as. But if I had trouble reading it or I wanted to feel like I was reading faster, I could change it to compact, which makes the font smaller. You can see up top here, the font's smaller. We could change it to standard. Amazon Kindle's standard font is this size, which is a little larger. We could also go for patrons who enjoy large print books. Large is the largest, and you see here. And when you want to exit this menu, you just tap the top of your screen once again. And now your book is in large print. So we're going to go back. Tap the top, hit the little A, and then I'm going to switch it back to what it was. And then when you want to get out of this menu, you just hit the top. And that's how we change the font on our Amazon Kindles. Thanks. Have a great day.